Unlike other tool users, who primarily utilize tools for obtaining food, palm cockatoos use tools for a completely different purpose: to impress potential mates during courtship. Males of this species showcase their craftsmanship by creating two types of sound tools: drumsticks made from tree branches, and rattles crafted from the tough seed pods of specific plants. These tools play a pivotal role in their courtship displays, as males rhythmically tap them against trees to captivate the attention of potential partners. Remarkably, individual palm cockatoos display distinct tool preferences.